Good afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach. With me today is a 2019 Audi A6 Premium. This is finished in Vesuvius gray metallic. I'm going to show you around here on the exterior, show you the wheels, and then we'll hit the inside. This has the 360 cam as well as the backup cam with all the haptic touch features inside. Driver front wheel, great shape, no curb rash, no pitting, no corrosion. And driver rear wheel, same as the front. I don't see any corrosion, any severe damage. There's a little spot there on the lip that I just noticed that I'd point out. But other than that, that's about it on that wheel. I don't see any imperfections in the paint or in any of the body panels. There's a few spots back here on the bumper that look like they've been touched up, and you'll see the raised spots there a little bit, but very unnoticeable. And passenger rear wheel, there is a little bit of curb rash on this one. You'll see up here on the lip, there's a few little spots there. The rest looks like maybe just a little bit of dirt. We'll find out here. It's a little spot there as well. I did notice a small little dent here in this passenger rear quarter panel. If you can see that little reflection there, that little dimple. And passenger front wheel, great shape. I don't see any major damage to this one. No large scuffs, no major curb rash. Take you to the interior. Bang & Olufsen sound system. See the wood grain inlays there. Standard black leather interior. This does have the cold weather package, so these rear seats are heated. And that cold weather package also includes these all-weather floor mats here, as well as the heated steering wheel. Up here you'll see your memory settings for the driver's seat. Heated and power folding exterior mirrors. All haptic touch there for the dual climate control. And this odometer reading should be just over 6,000 miles. Yeah, correction, it's just over 7,000 miles. 7,020 miles on the odometer. And this is your Audi virtual cockpit. All right, folks. If you have any questions about this vehicle, give us a call anytime. 614-793-1050.